Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to add Shudder to Amazon Fire TV, explained clearly and step by step, so you can start streaming horror, thriller, and suspense content in minutes. Step 1. Turn on your Amazon Fire TV device. Make sure your Fire TV stick or Fire TV is connected to your TV and the internet. Sign in to your Amazon account from the home screen. Step 2. Go to the Fire TV home screen. Press the Home button on your Fire TV remote to access the main menu. Step 3. Open the Search option. Navigate to the Find or Search icon at the top of the screen and select it. Step 4. Search for Shudder. Type Shudder using the on-screen keyboard or voice search. Look for the official Shudder app in the search results. Step 5. Download and install Shudder. Select the Shudder app and choose Get or Download. Wait a few moments while the app installs on your Fire TV device. Step 6. Launch the Shudder app. Once installed, select Open or find Shudder later in the Apps and Channels section. Step 7. Sign in or start a free trial. If you already have a Shudder subscription, sign in with your email and password. New users can start a free trial and create an account directly in the app. Step 8. Start streaming on Amazon Fire TV. After signing in, browse horror movies, exclusive originals, and live Shudder TV channels directly on your Amazon Fire TV. You're now ready to enjoy Shudder on Amazon Fire TV. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more simple, step-by-step streaming tutorials.